Hi, this is Ed with South Bay Aerial Photography. Today we're going to be going over DJI aerial drone photography, i.e. the wide angle and the medium telephoto, the 4:3 and 16:9 aspect ratios. And we'll be looking at the controller versus the photo taken points of view, intelligent flight mode, and photo limitations of this particular drone. I have the aerial DJI AIR 3. We'll look at hyperlapse versus time-lapse capabilities and limitations. Let's get into it quick. The 16:9, there's 4:3 and a 16:9. And the 16:9 actually fits within the 4:3. These are actual photos. So, and these are 48 meg photos, and then you have 48 meg either. That's the resolution, and note that the 16:9 just cuts off the top and the bottom. So the resolution is the same within the pic in terms of the density of pixels. So the 3 by on the telephoto, it's the same thing. The top and the bottom get cut off, and the 16:9 is inside. Um, so the 4:3 provides additional data points for photogrammetry mapping and panorama applications if you're looking for something vertical. Um, when we look at the controller though, and we look at the 4:3, it actually takes up less space inside the controller. And we switch from the controller point of view of 4:3 to 16:9, if we're going from photo to a photo, or we switch from photo to video, the controller point of view, field of view, increases, and we see more of the actual scene, and it almost seems like it blew up and it came closer. Well, it didn't. It's actually, you're seeing less of the overall field of view, and that is why the camera brings this closer on your controller field of view. So when the controller field of view actually comes in closer, you're actually taking less picture and cutting it off in the 16:9 frame. Um, okay, so as far as the capabilities, what it has and does not have, go over here to this table, which is a little bigger. And we look at the photo, the single shot. It has the 4:3 or the 16:9. You can either pick a 1 or 3 by, the wide angle or medium telephoto, and you can pick 48 or 12 meg. But it has no zoom capability, which I found odd because the video does. Now it does have intelligent flight mode capabilities such as spot, track, and circle for both 4:3 and 16:9. However, the rest of the photo modes such as A, B, burst, and time lapse do not have any tracking capability. So if we want to use the time lapse to um, take photos and track something, it can't be done. The 12 meg will take photos in time lapse at 2 seconds and 48 meg in 5. We compare that with the hyperlapse, which only takes low resolution photos at 2 seconds. You can either choose the wide angle or the medium telephoto, and you can choose uh, but it doesn't give you an option of how to choose the aspect ratio. It takes a photo in 4:3 and it makes a video. It makes it in 16:9, and again, it has no zoom control. It does have an intelligent flight mode of free and circle, and as far as being able to track. And with regard to the panoramas also only take photos in low resolution. They only take photos using the wide angle, except for the spherical capability. So, um, that I hope that helps. It definitely helped me try to understand all that. Um, why does knowing this help? Well, we won't have as many redos if we know exactly what we're shooting and what we're going to get out of it. For applications for photogrammetry and mapping, estates and panoramas, the 4:3 is probably better. Whereas if you're doing some events, graduations, weddings, something like this, perhaps the 16:9 would be a little bit better in terms of a choice of an aspect ratio, because that's both the video and the photographs. Well, I can be reached at Edward at southbayaerialphotography.com. Thanks for watching. I'll have a PDF of this link available on my website, and have a great day.